If you have a Shopify website, chances are you have seen this Powered by Shopify tagline in your footer. But did you know that it doesn't have to stay there? So I will show you how to remove Powered by Shopify tagline simply. So go to your Shopify store. From the online store, continue with Themes, and then click on the three dots next to Customize. We will continue with Edit Default Theme Content. And we have the search bar right here. We will just write Powered. Okay, you can see under the links, under Checkout and System, we have the Powered by Shopify tagline. So all you have to do is just clicking here and just leaving a space. It's gone. Don't forget to save it. And let's go to our website now. I'll just refresh. And here it is. It's gone. So it's super simple removing Powered by Shopify tagline. We actually have a blog post about it if you want to see other ways to do it. So go ahead, check it out. Let us know what you think.